How to send large files on Gmail. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you could easily send large files on Gmail application. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing you want to do is open up your web browser and search for gmail.com. Once you land on your Gmail's page, what you can do is try to compose a mail and attach your large files. So if you try to attach any large files here, so let me just attach a video. If the file is more than 24 45 MB, then the file won't be uploaded to your Gmail. So in that case, what you need to do is first upload your file to your Google Drive. So let me just open up my drive here. And you can upload your large files to your drive, then right click on the file and then click on share again. And here you could give access to your file by entering the email, people, or groups. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.